Python ternary and jinja2 gives template a syntax error. Tag name expected. I have a table and I want to change background color of tr if value of person.storePublished is true, otherwise do nothing. My code looks like this. I get this error. And the CSS part is here. Why is this happening? What I missed that I don't notice? Any help? Smile.
You used %%, which wants to get a tag like if, if etc. If you just want to execute a piece of Python code, like your ternary expression, you should use double braces like so.
Template language is different than Python, so has different syntax. You cannot use Python's idiomatic syntax in templates.
If you really know, please use this